What happens when one of the most iconic off-road legends in automotive history is reborn for the modern era? This is the 2026 Land Rover Series II, a timeless classic, completely re-engineered with contemporary design, modern technology, and undeniable presence. This isn't just a restoration, it's a statement. From the very first glance, the front fascia stays true to its heritage while embracing a refined, modern twist. You still get that unmistakable boxy silhouette paired with the classic upright stance that made the original Series II legendary. But now it's enhanced with cleaner lines and sharper detailing. The circular headlights remain iconic, now upgraded with subtle LED signatures, giving the vehicle a modern identity without losing its soul. The black mesh grille and bold Land Rover badging dominate the front, creating a strong and confident presence. Down below, a rugged off-road bumper with integrated tow hooks reinforces its capability. This isn't just for show, it's built to perform. Moving to the side profile, this is where the Series II truly stands out. The long, flat body panels, exposed hinges, and utilitarian design language remain intact, honoring its roots as a purpose-built off-roader. But the finish is completely modern. The deep marine blue paint reflects light beautifully, adding a premium feel to an otherwise rugged machine. Black alloy wheels wrapped in aggressive all-terrain tires give it a planted, muscular stance. The high ground clearance and short overhangs make it clear. This vehicle is engineered for serious terrain, not just city driving. And that signature flat roofline with rectangular windows, instantly recognizable, timeless, functional, and iconic. At the rear, the design continues its perfect balance between classic and modern. The externally mounted spare wheel remains a defining feature, both practical and visually bold. Vertical LED taillights replace the older units, offering a clean and contemporary lighting signature. The tailgate is simple, purposeful, and rugged, exactly what you'd expect from a true off-road machine. Subtle touches like dual exhaust outlets and modern lighting elements add just enough modern flair without compromising its vintage DNA. Step inside, and this is where the transformation becomes truly impressive. The cabin blends classic utility with modern luxury. A minimalist dashboard finished in body-colored panels pays homage to the original design, while a modern infotainment display is seamlessly integrated into the center console. Navigation, connectivity, and digital features are all present. The analog gauges remain, preserving that vintage feel, while rich brown leather seats elevate the cabin into a more premium experience. As a premium Restomod-style vehicle, the 2026 Land Rover Series II isn't built for the mass market. Pricing is expected to range between $90,000 and $140,000, depending on customization. With a projected release window from late 2025 to early 2026 and limited production numbers, this is more than just a vehicle. It's a collector's piece. The 2026 Land Rover Series II proves that true design never dies. It evolves, it respects its past, embraces the present, and redefines the future. So the question is, would you take this modern classic off-road, or keep it as a masterpiece in your garage? If you love classic cars reimagined for the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content like this.